Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin flow. What's our long-term investment strategy for flow? How long will it take flow to get to $100? And when should we start buying from flow? If we're going to be holding it to $100, guys, we're looking at flow's performance against Bitcoin. Should we start flipping our Bitcoin for some flow during the bear market? I'll also be looking at flow's performance against Ethereum. Will it be a smart decision to flip our flow for some Ethereum or Ethereum for some flow in the bear market? And guys, we'll be looking at Bitcoin dominance. This is going to tell us when is the perfect time to buy a lot of flow. A lot of times Bitcoin dominance tells us when all coins are going to be pumping, and we're going to be aligning it with the flow US dollar price chart. We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, if you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, flow is trading for $2.12 from the all-time high for flow that came in around $42 in 2021. Flow has been dumping from April 2021 till June 2022. Flow dropped 97% from its all-time high. It took flow 442 days to complete that dump, but right now it looks as if we're having a relief in the altcoin market. Flow went up more than 150%, but are we going to be able to buy flow for lower prices right here? If we're holding flow for the long term, should we start accumulating some flow? Guys, the first region I'll be looking for to accumulate some flow through the bear market will be the $1.3, $1.4 level. Accumulating flow in this level through the bear market might not seem profitable right now, but if you're going to be holding flow for the long term, guys, this is the region where you want to be getting some flow right now. Now, it might not look profitable to start accumulating because when you start buying all of these altcoins, they keep dumping and keep dumping. But that's what you want to be doing. You want to be buying them as they're dumping to Goblin Town. When nobody wants them, when they're already 97% from their all-time high, that's when you want to be getting them. Because guys, if you get some flow at this $1.4 level, guess what will happen, guys? When flow goes back to its all-time high, you'd have been up over 2,700% already. And if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool and we go to the top of the previous bull run for flow to the bottom of the bear market, currently that's at $1.15. If we get flow below that level, that will be a good buying opportunity. But if we don't see flow coming below this $1.15 level, if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, it's telling us that at the top of the next bull run, guys, flow can go to as high as $140, maybe $150. And if you want to be among the people that will be selling the top, you have to be willing to buy the bottom, because guys, if you buy flow even from where we are right now and flow gets to above $120, guys, you'll be singing kumbaya, because why? A $1,000 investment in flow right now will return more than 5,600% if flow just gets to $110. That's more than a 50x return on your investment. But guys, during the bear market, you have to ask yourself some critical questions. Which altcoins will you want to be accumulating? Because guys, when the market start pumping, then everybody wants to buy anything that is pumping. But when the market is dumping, that's when to make those decisions. As you can see, guys, we have a very, very red week in the crypto market. Flow is still down 90.7% in the last 1 year. Flow is up 11.7% in the last 1 month. But you can see that in the last 1 week alone, flow has dropped 25.4%. When flow pumped to $3, a lot of people wanted to buy flow, wishing, oh, I wish I bought it at $1.1. That would have been in more than 150% profit, guys. This is the second chance you have to buy some flow. You can see that flow has been rejected of this $3 level. This level has been very, very pivotal for flow. When we're consolidating before we finally dumped Goblin Town, we consolidated around that $3 level. Right now, we've gotten rejected off that level. Maybe this is just a pullback before flow will continue pumping, maybe to as high as $7 or even $10. But guys, we have to think long term. If you want to make money in crypto, you have to think long term. If you want to be among those people that will get those 50x, 60x, and 70x, you have to think in terms of months and years and not in hours. So looking at the chart every day is not going to make the price go up. Why do you want to buy flow to hold through the bear market, guys? Flow still has a market cap of over $2 billion. It has a fully diluted market cap of over $2.9 billion. And in the last 1 year, we have seen flow go as high as $28 and as low as $1.17. Guys, that's the range of what happens to these altcoins. In just 1 year, it went from $28 to $1. And flow is ranked 30 on CoinMarketCap. 189,000 people have flow on their watch list. You might be wondering, why should I hold flow through the bear market? What makes flow unique? Flow is a fast, decentralized, developer-friendly blockchain designed as a foundation for new generation of games, apps, and digital assets that power them. Flow is the only layer 1 blockchain originally created by a team that's consistently delivered great product experiences, CryptoKitties, Dapper Wallet, NBA Top Shot, and what have you. So guys, if you want to get some flow through the bear market, you can get flow on Binance, on Gate.io, on Qcoin, on Coinbase, Huber Global, Kraken, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Now, another important question you have to ask yourself is, should you be accumulating Bitcoin in the bear market, or should you be accumulating flow? Because guys, you don't want to be holding the altcoins that will be dumping really hard against Bitcoin in the bear market. But history has shown that even though a lot of these altcoins lose value against Bitcoin through the bear market, when the market start pumping, they outperform Bitcoin. Guys, just look at the recent relief rally we had in the crypto market. We saw flow gain more than 100% against Bitcoin. So even when the market pumps, you want to be holding flow. But guys, the catch is that when the market is dumping, that's when you want to be dollar cost averaging into flow. Because at some point in time, when Bitcoin has gone to 100K, which Bitcoin will do eventually, we are going to see all that capital flow back into flow. Very, very ironic. It's going to flow back into flow. When the market is pumping, when all coins are going crazy, that's when you're getting the reward for buying all these altcoins. But when the market is dumping, that's when you want to be dollar cost averaging. Guys, remember, you don't want to go all in on any of these altcoins. If you're thinking long term, you want to dollar cost average across time, guys, because these altcoins can drop really quickly. They can pump really quickly, but they can dump really quickly. So flow against Ethereum has dumped more than 95% from that all-time high set in March 2021. That's why I'm telling you guys, be careful when the market is dumping, but when the market is pumping, you will reap all the labors of holding all these altcoins. You see that in the last 12 days, flow went up more than 65% against Ethereum. Even though it's dumping right now, this just showed us that when the market is pumping, you want to be getting some flow, but when the market is dumping, you want to run to maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum. But if you're holding these altcoins for a long time, flow included, guys, you want to be dollar cost averaging as the market is dumping, because you can never say this is the bottom, this way to reverse. You just hope and know that one day it's going to turn on itself. And a very, very good indicator to tell us when the market will turn on itself is Bitcoin dominance. Guys, anytime Bitcoin dominance start falling, it means capital is leaving Bitcoin and is flowing towards altcoins. And anytime capital is flowing towards altcoins, it means altcoins are pumping. Now, in the previous bear market, Bitcoin dominance was as high as almost 72%. Now, the top for Bitcoin dominance in the last 3 years came in on December 20, when Bitcoin dominance was 73%. But what happened when Bitcoin dominance started falling? Guess what, guys? This when altcoins started pumping. Bitcoin dominance went from as high as 73% to as low as 39%, and Bitcoin dominance did it very, very quickly. All this happened in just 140 days. And guess what? That was the time altcoins were pumping. That was when Flow was launched. Flow was launched here in January 2021, and Flow went from as low as $6 to as high as $44. That's more than a 600% pump in just 2 months. But if you notice that the Bitcoin dominance was falling during that time, and that's what we'll be looking for in the future. But right now, it looks as if in this bear market, we're going to see increase in Bitcoin dominance. And what does it mean for all coins, flow included? Guys, it means that we might see flow dump really harder again. Guys, what does it mean for all coins in the bear market? It means we might see all coins dump really hard, flow included. So we might see flow set a new all-time low. But if you're a long-term investor in flow, if you believe in the project, if you believe that at some point in time in the future we're going to see flow trading for $100, this will just be a good buying opportunity. If flow goes below $1, that will be a very, very good buying opportunity. I'll be loading all my bags if I see flow below $1. Guys, the crypto fear and greed index is showing us that we're still in fear. You want to be accumulating when we get to extreme fear. At some point in time, we're going to see extreme fear. Guys, we saw extreme fear in June and July, and the crypto markets was in real fear. Bitcoin went to 17,000. You can see the fear and greed index was reading a factor of 6, and that day was reading 9. We even got a factor of 7. So guys, watch out for when the crypto fear and greed index will start showing extreme fear and Bitcoin dominance to be increasing. And if you see your altcoins dumping, you should not feel bad. Just think about it like I'm getting good chance to actually accumulate these altcoins at cheaper prices, because at some point in time in the future, I'll be happy selling my flow at all-time highs around $40, around $50, or maybe $100 in the next bull run. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, at what price will you start accumulating your own flow? Will you start accumulating right now? Do you believe the relief rally is not over and we keep pumping? Or guys, you want to be that guy that will just be hodling all the flow you already have through the bear market, you know, be adding to your stacks? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.